Yes, one thing very importantly, we have to know that if Cp is equal to 100 and profit is equal to 20%, suppose, then SP will be equal to 120 by our common sense. We can understand it because profit or loss percentage are always taken out of CP. 20% of 100 is 20 only. So SP is equal to CP plus profit that you know. So that 100 CP plus profit percentage is 20. So that profit is 20% is out of 100 means that is 20 only because CP is 100 na? So that it will be 120. It means we come to know that in case of if CP is equal to 100, then what we can write SP is equal to 100 plus profit percent. Similarly, in case of loss, we can take minus loss percent. So that, okay, I think you understand it. And if we just divide and write this equal to at the middle, remove this, it will be a relation between CP, SP and profit percentage. So by using this formula, we can calculate in case of SP is given. If CP is given, it is very simple. We can find out the actual profit or loss as we have already learned it. Because if CP is given, suppose 100 or something, 200 or like that, and profit percentage is given 20%, then actual profit we can find out 20, okay, percent of CP, because it is always taken in CP. Profit percentage or loss percentage are taken in CP, that you know. But if SP is given 100 and profit percentage is given 20%, then how to find out the actual profit percentage? It is a little bit difficult. So that in this case, either we can go by this way, like we can suppose CP equal to X, let suppose, and we can find out profit percentage 20% out of CP. It will be in fraction and it will, I think you will feel difficult. So that I'm giving you this idea. That is also one of the idea. You can try yourself also. And another idea is if CP is 100, okay, in case of CP is 100, SP will be 100 plus profit percent. Whatever the profit percent is given, we can add and find out the selling price. We already discussed it, how it is, okay. So that now we can put values. Now we can put values. CP not given, we can suppose X. Suppose SP value is given 120, 100 upon 100 plus profit percent is given 20. Now first of all we have to do this addition, okay, and X by 120 is equal to 100 upon 120, like this. And I think you know about cross multiplication, how we cross multiply. You see, I will show you here, okay, by cross multiplication after this, okay, by cross multiply, by cross multiply, cross multiply is done like this. X multiplies with, here is equal to sign na, with another denominator of another side, and this denominator multiplies with numerator of the another side, and equal to is written at the middle, so that X multiply 120 equal to 120 into 100. This is 100, so that X equal to 120 into 100 upon 120. That 120, 120 we can cut off, so that what remains, X equal to 100 only. Like this. What is X? We have supposed for CP, so that therefore CP is equal to rupees 100. We can write like this. So I think, I hope you understand it. Yes. Okay, if this is not clearly visible, then I will show you the same solution here by cross multiply. Okay, like this. We can write, yes, you know, cross multiplication, or X equal to 120 multiply 100. This is in product
By 120.
multiply form, so that while taking another side goes downward to divide, you know, and we can cancel this 120 and 120, so that we get X equal to 100, and X is supposed for CP. This is
Rupees
supposed
100.
net weight, and therefore CP value of CP is rupees 100. Like this, in case of if selling price is given, we can connect the profit percentage and loss percentage also. I will give you the formula with that selling price. If CP is given directly, we can find out the actual profit or loss, so that there is no problem. But if SP is given, then it will be a bit confusing. We cannot, we do not take profit percentage or loss percentage in terms of SP, but CP is not given. So in this case, we can connect this SP and profit or loss with the and CP with such a formula. And if here is, if in case of loss, okay, instead of plus P%, we can take minus loss percent and make another formula, and that formula will be like this: CP by SP equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss percentage. Like this, we can connect CP, SP and loss percentage.